In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IC Markets Autochartist. Autochartist is a market scanner that does the heavy lifting for you. It continuously scans price action and flags potential opportunities, including familiar chart patterns like triangles and channels, Fibonacci-based setups, and important support and resistance levels. It runs around the clock and can alert you when something matches its criteria, so you're not glued to the screen all day. Think of it as a powerful assistant that surfaces ideas. You still make the final trading decisions. To access it on IC Markets, start by logging in to your client area. Head to Trading Tools and select Autochartist. If you use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, download the Autochartist plugin. If you prefer CTrader, open the web-based Autochartist dashboard from the same section. The process is quick, and you'll be up and running in minutes. If you're on MT4 or MT5, install the plugin you downloaded, then restart your platform to load the new tools correctly. Open the Navigator window and look under Expert Advisors or Indicators, depending on your installation. Drag Autochartist onto any chart. Once it's attached, a panel will appear with current trade setups detected on your selected symbols and timeframes. If you see any permission prompts for alerts, allow them so you can receive notifications. Reading the signals is straightforward. The Trade Opportunities list shows patterns such as triangle breakouts or channels, along with suggested direction and an indicative entry price. Each setup comes with a quality or probability score. A higher score suggests a stronger technical structure, but it's still essential to verify the idea yourself. You'll also see marked support and resistance zones that highlight where price might pause or reverse. Alerts can appear inside the platform, and you can enable email updates if that suits your workflow. When it's time to trade, don't follow signals blindly. Pick a setup that fits your plan, open the chart, and confirm it with your own analysis. Check the broader trend, validate the key levels, and make sure the timing aligns with your strategy. Then, define your entry. Place a stop loss where the pattern would be invalidated, and set a take profit that reflects realistic targets, often near the next major level. Enter the trade manually and size it sensibly relative to your risk. Autochartist accelerates your idea generation and keeps you informed, but the edge comes from your discipline and confirmation. Use it to focus your attention, filter noise, and act with a clear plan.